You are listening the voice of Ratan Kumar Chandra with his own work on divine science. I present you the playlets from a divine presentation. The name of the playlet is God, the Infinity. I tell you the dialogue of all characters of this playlet one by one. Forward. We find God in the creation and generation of our lives so that we can get our salvation in lives. As we are created by God, so we try to create our relation with God, the Infinity, who creates the substitute of our lives one after another, and living in this uncertainty of a certain end. Our agitation tries to allure God, so that we can be released by God from the cage of earth and birth, while at the time of praying in along with our song, O God, you are mine, make me thine, so that I can be signed by you in your sky. Now playlet starts. God, the Infinity. Air. Entrance of air. What are you thinking, sky? Sky. Oh, darling, I am thinking that I have to get the trace of God. I have to get the bliss of God so that I can be the beloved of God. Air. But why? Sky. Because if I will not be the beloved of God, then how I can be your Lord? Air. I see. It means you want to be God for me, but I have got already a God as you for my own. Sky. Oh, darling, so what? I am a next one for you because it is so critical to face the present for future as it is easy in past, as it was easy in past, which are the sources of our experiences in lives. So we are always in need of our near one on earth and dear one as God after the expiry of our lives on earth, so that their help and support can be the asset to set the future of our lives, and thus we proceed ourselves to succeed the courses of our lives on earth. Air. My friend, some incidents are beyond comparable, which opens the gate of the gateway of possibilities, earthly possibilities, divine possibilities, and so on. As possibilities follow possibilities, the promises for the penance of lives, which are the lessons for humanity bound to creativity and bind of divinity in our lives. Sky, darling, our parents are our creators, so we depend on them. We are the pleasure of them. They are our treasure. We grow and gain among them. The boundless pain of penance binds the promise of sacrifice for the aim of God, which becomes the fame of lives, the faith of lives, and the fortune of lives. Here, my friend, such is life, service is life, sense is life, which is the prayer of life, power of life, and peace of life, of to disclose, which is the prayer of life, power of life, and peace of life, to disclose the secret of life by the role of creativity for the soul of sanity in search of the goal of entity, so that we can get the divine security of God in our lives on earth. Sky, darling, our lives have a great role of parents, or we can say the lives of our childhood. When we are under the guidance of our parents, till we are being able enough to lead ourselves independently. So this is a great period in our lives, a period of parents in our lives, who serves us with the need of time so that we can qualify the age of lessons, as lessons are the essence of parents, which glorify the lives by their own glory, whose holy sensation is the kind of creation and the mind of recreation in our lives, to nourish the fundamental needs for the healthy growth of our future in lives. Here, my friend, we, our earth and our sun, all are related closely one another. So the lessons of virtues have been taught to us to save our lives by the grace of God, so that we can avoid the reverse of our lives on earth. So we should always practice the virtues of our lives, because the ruination of our virtues are related not only with the ruination of our lives, as well as it is related with the ruination of our earth and sky also. When we lose the favor of God, to lose the right of human beings to fight for the diversity of creatures on earth. Sky, darling, we should bear the responsibilities of our lives by the guidance of our own confidence, in accordance with the faith of our own, and gradually the nectar of love fortifies our lives by the own glory and glamour, to honor the lives, being the near one and dear one for everyone in our lives. For the honor of the bliss of God in our lives. Here, my dear, the gift of our lives mean to prepare ourselves to succeed commercially in lives by a sense of competition, which makes us nonsense in our lives, due to which the formalities of our sensualities are being ignored by us, which are the causes of irresponsibilities in our lives. Sky, darling, whatever may be, overall our interests are in our own hands. There may be mortal interest or immortal interest. Both are same necessary in our lives. There should be our foresightedness for our lives. So our moral interest should be in front of our immortal interest in lives. which can save us on earth as well as in the sky after our expiry also. So, we can't ignore the balance of humanity and divinity in our lives to avoid the cruelty of creatures on earth. So, we should be careful about our forsightedness so that we can qualify the race of our longevity for divinity, which is a time of divine creation, divine recreation, and divine protection for immortality in our lives. We mean is air. We mean our foresightedness should be related with our divinity so that we can get our promotion from moral lives to immortal lives on earth. We should practice our mortality in favor of immortality so that we can avoid the diversity of creatures in our lives and we can adopt the virtues for the diversity of divinity in our lives. My dear, births and deaths are the faith of our lives on earth as two sides of a mirror in our lives, which promises for the judgment of judgments, the divine judgment in the journey of our lives. So births and deaths are complementary one another as well as complementary of the journey of our lives on earth till our salvation in lives. Sky. Actually, we should have a clear idea about ourselves. I mean, if we are in dark, we can't get completion in our lives. There is a lesson of motion in our lives as we are in search of the truth of our lives so that we can come in the knowledge of divinity in our lives to avoid the knowledge of ignorances in our lives because our ignorances are our enemy of enemies which can spoil our lives after lives for nothing, due to which we lose the time of our lives in vain, which gives us pain while chasing the aim of our lives on earth. Here, darling, our lives are as our own minds. It depends on us how we dig it to draw the precious jewels for our own. As our immortality can't be greater by ignoring the mortality, our mortality can't be happier by ignoring the immortality of our lives. So it is most necessary for us to try to come in the knowledge of divinity in our lives, which can give us completion in our lives to make us free from the atmospheric pressure of our lives, as well as we can avoid the reverse of our lives on earth. Sky. My dear, whatever we do here, we do for the betterment of our present situations so that we can save ourselves from humiliations as we are aware about our death. So we take the advantage of present situations, let our immortality be in vain. Here, darling, we can sacrifice everything for mortality, but we can't sacrifice anything for immortality because we get immediate return of mortality, whereas immortality is a faith of heaven and faith for salvation in lives. Sky, darling the great, It is a miracle of miracles in our life when we get the response of God in our lives. Because without being a devotee of divinity, we can't get the security of divinity in our lives. So our devotion, dedication and determination to willpower should not be failure to divinity, as there is a lesson of lessons, the divine lesson in our lives, that endurance is a finance of maturity in the field of searching the truth. When we get the truth of God in our lives, when we get the bliss of God in our lives, when we live with God in our lives. Air. When we be free from the ignorances of our lives, when we feel the reality of divinity in our lives, when we come in the light of divinity in our lives, due to which our humanity is enriched by the bliss of divinity, when we realize the state of our existence, resistance and deliverance in our lives, as we are here for a very short period, so there will be our foolishness in lives if we misuse the period to mature ourselves for divinity, because after this period we depend on God to allow us for the diversity of our lives on earth. So there is the diversity of the right of our souls which are responsible for the goals of our lives, whether promotion or demotion of whether promotion or demotion of our lives, there is the motion of our lives which can lead us to the diversity of divinity in our lives or the diversity of creatures in our lives after the expiry of our lives on earth, according to our deeds done by the mentality of our lives on earth. Sky. Darling the Great, as we know, the sun rotates itself in its own place. So there is a rotational gravitation around it which attracts earth to rotate around the sun. So there is a divine nature that only a rotating object can rotate another one in our lives. I mean, if we are best, we can come in use of the betterment of our civilization on earth, because our goodness is related not only with our humanity, this is related with our divinity also, to get the prize of immortality in our lives on earth. Air. That's why I always love my God in life. Let me pay any value for this love. The dignity of divinity is my duty for the divine security of my life. Sky, darling, we, our earth and our universe, all are generated by the glory of God in our lives, the holiness of which are the causes of longevity in our lives, the greatness of which are the causes of prosperity in our lives, and the mercy of which are the causes of salvation in our lives. So we should create a situation of mercy in our lives so that we can get the mercy of salvation in our lives by God, which are the solutions of our lives, because only earthly monetary illusion and pollution can't give us any solution for our salvation in lives. We need our devotion and dedication to God also for our divine promotion in lives by God. Air, my dear, as sun rotates itself in its own place, so it throws its light to us, which is the cause of our sight in lives. As an electric fan which throws the air for the need of our lives. Actually, whatever we have that comes in our knowledge while in practice, we can serve goodness in our lives only if we are good. So, for the betterment of our lives and our civilization, we have to be best in our lives so that we can serve best, search best, and save best in our lives. Sky. I also think so. Darling, as we expire, we lose our bodies on earth, but our souls never expire, which is the part of the atmospheric pressure of air in our lives on earth. So we take birth again as per our gain, as per our game, till we can qualify the divine name of God in the sky of our lives by the surprise of the divine prize of deliverance in our lives. So we have to make us so great that we can get the trace of God, we can get the bliss of God, and we can qualify the race of God in our lives on earth, so that we can avoid the rebirths of our lives on earth. Air. Really, my dear, there will be the end of our lives on earth. There will be the end of our civilization on earth. But there will be no end of our souls on earth, which can be immortal at the divine call of God in the sky, which can take birth to form a new civilization again with the help of the favor of fresh natural growth in our lives on earth. After the recharging of earth due to the atmospheric pressure on earth, our souls can be immortal by our bodies, but our bodies are mortal. Our souls can be immortal, but our bodies are mortal. Our bodies are the product of mud. So the suitable climate of air, light, and water help the souls to grow by the vibrating atmospheric pressure on earth, which develops in form of the creatures according to its kind on earth for the beginning of our rebirth to form our new civilization through the molded production of the male and female of our lives on earth. Where the rule of nature for where the rule of nature for us are derived from the figure of earth, sources of earth, and the movement of earth. So the growth of our lives are derived from the attraction of the sun to us, as well as to our earth for us. In the cage of the atmospheric pressure on earth, so till the end of the favor of the sources of earth in our lives, we and our civilization are safe on earth. And when there will start the period of gradual discover of the sources of earth in our lives, we and our civilization will lose ourselves gradually on earth. My dear, Every creature have its own growth on earth, which are derived from the capacities of the sources of earth for us, as well as according to the shape of earth in condition of the motion of earth. Where our lives develop and dissolve on earth to solve the question of our lives during the period of birth and death in our lives by the atmospheric pressure on earth as well as on us. Sky, darling, it is a lengthy procedure of natural phenomena which we face among us, which is our fate, which is the lesson of God in our lives to realize the position of God so that we can create our relation with God in our lives. Air, and thus our conception of God follows the weakness of our mentality and develop our fondness to immortality in our lives. Sky, darling, God is the architect of our entity, a recurring source of service in our lives for an occurring force of creation in the course of our progression and salvation in lives, where we should try to develop the devotion of our lives for our deity as a devotee during the longevity of our lives on earth. Here, my friend, God justifies our deeds. We pray God for our salvation in lives. We mean salvation are the stages of achieving the divine abode for the devotees of God to avoid the rebirth of our lives on earth. Sky, darling, here is no partiality with anyone. Everyone is the owner and creator of one's own fate. Just see how great the stars are. So they have promoted to heaven. They have their own devotion, their own dedication, and their own destination in heaven. Here, my dear, today I shall give you a surprise. The surprise of surprises, the divine surprise in our lives. Just look in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little stars are not little now. They have expanded themselves in a new form in the sky. How have they created a grand display of their image in honor of the inauguration of their divine honor in the sky? How have they glorified the sky by the holiness of their lives? We have not looked such a great performance of their beauty, of their piety and beauty in the divine reign of God in the sky. They have adorned themselves in honor of their divine honor to enlighten our lives by the divine light of God, so that we can fight for God in our lives, which removes the thoughts of ignorances from our lives. Sky, darling, I am well known about this surprise which has been given to me by the stars of the sky, and now you want the credit for this surprise. But mind it, neither little stars are little now, nor they are any wonder for us, because they are so liberal. They have made me their honor. They have made me the honor of their reign in the sky. Actually, their generosity is the cause of wonder for us in our lives, due to which we are out of reach to them. So now you can say it is a divine period on earth when I have been made the divine owner of the sky by God. When the owner of divinity is alive on earth, and as we celebrate the festival for them on the earth in such way, they have adorned themselves to celebrate the festival in my honor at the inauguration of their divine owner in the sky. Air. Darling, I think it is not any hidden procedure by God, because God has disclosed the secrecy of judgment for you in a very festive way. When all the members of the sky has adorned themselves in honor of their new divine owner to enlighten the lives of earth by the birth of their divine owner for the consolation of the devotees of God, so that they can perceive the presence of the divine owner on earth. Sky, my dear, our lives are mortal, so our civilizations are also mortal, because we are dependent on the sources of earth. So if there are the lack of sources for our lives on earth, our civilization can't develop on earth. When we will be no more on earth, and as we die, our earth will also die due to the atmospheric pressure on us as well as on earth. Therefore, it needs to recharge the earth for the fresh capacities when the earth passes through the various stages as ice stage, hot stage, and rainy stage, etc. on earth. To bear the responsibilities of our first civilization in place of our present civilization on earth. So there is a natural way to recharge the earth during the courses of time for the sources of human civilization on earth. Air. In such way, our new civilization can be formed again on earth, and we can show our power, prestige, and position of our devotion and dedication for our salvation in lives by God. Sky, my friend, the love which attracts one another on the earth, that love attracts God of heaven also. The only difference is of mentality. Here requires the power and position for love. There requires the devotion and dedication for love, which is too precious to honor God in our own manner. Air, darling, there is infinity, which is incomparable, which matches only God, who creates us, who serves us, who saves us by the justification of our deeds. We have His part in our hearts. So if we follow our hearts, if we pray Him heartily, if we are the follower of virtues, It is a matter of faith and time to fortify us by our divine fertility in lives. Sky, so our prosperity, our crisis, all are related to our God, the infinity. It is a matter of our devotion to Him, our dedication to Him, that God will save us, God will serve us, and God will promote us. As we are the part of God, we are the power of God. So we have to save the prestige of God in our lives, so that God can save our prestige in lives and after lives respectively. Air. That's why after the end of our lives, our souls, which represents us as the witness of our presentation to the door of deity, which are immersed, which are always eager to be free from the weakness of these earthly illusions, which can be promoted to the word of God, which can be freed from the burden of mortality by God. So let us get the goal of God, the souls of our lives, as the divine prize of our lives in the sky of God. Sky, darling, this is our faith which can qualify the love of God. It may take time, birth after birth, but the flame of faith which is enlightened by the devotion and dedication in honor of divinity, we should carry that light of faith for our salvation in life, so that we can be freed by God from the rivers of our lives on earth. Air, O God, save me, promote me in your abode. The lap of my heart is empty without you. You show your mercy to me as the courtesy to your devotee. Don't compel me to live without you. I am thirsty of your love. You quench the thirst of my life as the dawn of hope and the morn of happiness by your kindness of eternity in my life. Sky, O God, remember me. My divine power has moved the turbine of your universe. You have honored my love to you. You have brought me in the limelight of divinity and humanity as the divine honor of the sky in life. I am your fragrance of fame. I am your faith of fortune. I am your fame of aim in the game of our lives. You are the goal of my soul in your divine abode. As the divine owner, I am honored by your divine manner for being the divine gainer in my life. I am grateful for your divine mercy in my life, the courtesy of which is the secrecy of shining me in the sky, which has made me divine to enlighten the limelight of our civilization for my divine relation in life with you. And this is the end of this play.